Hey Amazon, I am doing a review today of the Pure Smile water flosser. So I like using this morning and night. And what I like about this product is that it has a reservoir down here and you can put water inside, as well as they have a special solution that you can put in there that has, it's like a little mouthwash solution. I'll show it to you. Dropper of the floss drops inside, which is kind of like a mouthwash almost. And then you just reattach it and it's ready to use. You don't have to use the floss drops, but I particularly really like them. So this comes with several different attachments. It has a toothbrush attachment, which is one of the things that made me really interested in it. And it comes with all these other attachments. There's there's 5 additional attachments, like for orthodontics, tongue cleaning, water pick. So whatever it is you want to use, you can use it for your teeth. I have it set up with just the traditional water flosser, and all you do is you push the button and put it in your mouth and let it floss through your gums. This thing is great because it has so many attachments. If you want to use it as your toothbrush, you can. So I like using it as my water flosser. And one of the things I found that really helps me with this is keeping my mouth closed while I do it and leaning over the sink. At first, I was getting water everywhere, but if you keep your mouth closed and lean over the sink, you can start and stop it in between. So if you feel like your mouth is filling up too much, just stop it, spit out, and then keep flossing. So let me show you how easy this is. You can see the water flosser is really easy to use. It also comes with this really nice carry bag, so you can keep everything tidy in if you want to travel with it, which I love. And it's really easy to change the attachments. You just simply just release this button right here, and that will release the attachment. And then you can change it to whatever one you want on. So if you want to try the toothbrush, you can do the toothbrush. And the toothbrush would work the exact same way. You would just simply put your toothpaste on it, and then it will floss your teeth at the same time. So this takes a little bit more skill because you're gonna have to move it around while you're brushing, as well as knowing that you're getting the gums clean. So I have to start and stop this one a little bit more. There is a high and a low and a medium speed here. There are several different speeds. I typically use the lower speed because I feel like I can control it better. So depending on how you want to use it, the speeds are great. The different attachments I love. And I find that the reservoir will last me like 2 brushings or 2 flossings, so like 1 full day, and sometimes a day and a half. But I really love this product. The Pure Smile is great, and it's the only one that has this toothbrush attachment. And don't give up on it. If you feel like it's hard to use at first, you just gotta take some practice with it and just know that more water is coming out through the toothbrush than with the water pick. So just go slow, use a lower setting, and give yourself time to get adjusted to it, because you're not used to using this multi-functioning object in your mouth. So just give yourself time. I think you're gonna fall in love with it. I love that it has that multi-purpose, and it makes teeth brushing as well as flossing at the same time so much easier, and your gums will be happy and healthy. So I hope you enjoy it.